Hello everyone, this is a special video where I will show you how the samples of impact and the tensile looks like. I think you all have studied this tensile testing and the impact testing. So see here, this is a cylindrical specimen. Okay, so these are two arrangements to be held in the machine, and in the middle portion you can see this is the area where we mark the gauge length. We mark 2 points, like one point here, other point here, and we mark it as a gauge length, and further we place it inside the machine. Okay, and we also place extensometer over here, and this extensometer we measure elongation up to this ys. Okay, so this is it. Now next I will show you the impact specimen. So this is a standard impact specimen where the cross section is of 10 mm into 10 mm and this length is of 55 mm, and the notch is, the depth of this notch is 2 mm. Okay, and this gap, upper gap, is also 2 mm, and the radius, the tip, this radius is around 0.25 mm. Okay, and you can also see the finish is also very good. It has certain required roughness value that I don't remember, but this is it. Now, so you have seen this impact specimen. Now next I will show you what happens after this testing of impact. This is for a high chromium steel. Okay, so this is for a high chromium steel. So let me put these two broken pieces together. First you see, okay, so you can see in the middle portion it is very bright, right? So this bright portion shows the crystalline, it shows the crystalline part. That means here it shows the brittle fracture, means that is under very high load, and the rest dull portions like black portions show for this ductile fracture. And these lips, these are called as shear lips. You can see the lips at the edges, these are called as shear lips which are formed. So this amount of the shear lip and the broadening of this shear lip tells you about the ductility of this material. Okay, so it has got some broadening. So you can see here this ductile portion, it is in the around, that is periphery, and in the middle the white one is of brittle nature. Similarly, this is the one. Okay, so it has got ductile as well as brittle fracture. Okay, and this thing we measure, this is for a room temperature, then we can measure it for a higher temperature, then lower temperature also, and accordingly we plot, and we also get this dB/dt temperature. Okay, so there are many applications of this impact testing. Okay guys, so this is just to give you an overview that how these samples look like. So hope this will help you, okay, to understand better in terms of metallurgy. Okay, thank you.